Hello kids. Welcome to Pastel TV. Are you ready for a world full of stories, fun, and surprises? If you're ready, click the like button. And for new adventures, don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. Long ago, in a busy city full of tall buildings, there was a cozy basement apartment where sunlight gently slipped inside, painting warm gold patches on the floor. In that little home lived Boncuk, a sweet kitten with bright green eyes and soft, fluffy white fur as light as cotton. Every morning, Boncuk curled up by the door, his eyes following the busy parade of people hurrying past on their way to school and work. Boncuk loved to leap and play, tumbling over marbles, building tall towers with colorful blocks, and hugging his squishy teddy bear. But Boncuk also had a habit Mother Cat did not like very much: he never, ever cleaned his room. Mama Cat would often peek in and say with a gentle sigh, "Boncuk, please clean your room." Boncuk would wiggle his whiskers, smile, and say, "I'll do it later, Mom." But later always ran away, just like a bouncing ball. As days went by, marbles rolled away under his bed. His teddy bear peeked out from a tangle of clothes in the closet, and the blocks slept in piles across the floor. The room was so messy that even the dust bunnies were confused. But Boncuk didn't mind one bit. He hopped and skipped and played, jumping high and sliding low around the scattered toys. One sunny afternoon, Boncuk got tired of watching busy feet outside and wanted to play with his most special toy, his bright blue ball. He raced into his room, tail twitching with excitement, but when he looked for the ball, it was nowhere to be found. He searched under the bed, behind the curtains, and in every corner. Still, the blue ball was missing. Boncuk's ears drooped. "Where did my ball go?" he whispered sadly. Suddenly, a tiny voice squeaked from behind the closet door, "We are tired, Boncuk." Boncuk spun around, his green eyes growing wide. Who said that? At that moment, his teddy bear waved a tiny paw, a red block wriggled next to a pencil, and the blue ball rolled out, all beginning to talk at once. "We are all squished here," said the teddy bear. "We can't play anymore," grumbled the blocks. "We miss being with you," whispered the pencils. Boncuk gasped, "My toys are talking." The blue ball rolled to his paw and said softly, "When your room is messy, Boncuk, we feel forgotten and lost. You can't play with us or find us." Boncuk's fluffy cheeks turned pink. He felt a little sad for his toys. He wanted his room to be a happy place for everyone. So, Boncuk made up his mind. "I will fix everything today," he announced bravely. First, he made his bed, giving his pillow a gentle bump and tucking in his blanket just right. Then, humming a cheerful tune, he picked up all his toys. He put the marbles and blue ball gently in their box, placed his teddy bear soft and snugly on the pillow, and stacked the colorful blocks on the shelves. Books and pencils found their homes, too. Soon, the floor sparkled and there was a happy place for every toy. Suddenly, sunlight poured into the room, brighter than ever, and a tiny rainbow danced across his bed. All the toys cheered, "Thank you, Boncuk." Boncuk smiled wide and said, "Thank you. Now we can play together every day and never feel lost again." Just then, Mama Cat peeked back in and her whiskers twitched with surprise. "Are you sure this is Boncuk's room? It's so tidy." Boncuk laughed and nodded. "Yes, Mama, I cleaned it all by myself. Now my toys are happy, and I can always find what I need." From that day on, Boncuk remembered to tidy up every evening after playing. He made sure his toys were safe and cozy, and his blue ball always rolled right back to his bedside, ready for new adventures. And in that warm, tidy room, Boncuk slept peacefully every night, knowing he was a sweet kitten, and a responsible one, too. That's all for today on Pastel TV. If you had fun with us, don't forget to hit the like button. And to never miss new adventures, subscribe. See you in the next story. Bye bye kids.